That far away. This fucking place. It's like a. What the fuck? Oh, for fuck's sake, you know I get in here.
Wait, turn right. What are you doing?
I'm waiting at
Fuck me, if that blew you up, I'd have been pissing myself.
Oh.